I wasn't going to do a cooking video, but I changed my mind.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Val, and I'm thrilled to have you here with me today. On this channel, I share my adventures as I humanly solo travel part-time with my dog in my trusty four-wheel drive truck, which I've lovingly named after my grandfather, Ed Sr. But that's not all. I also tow along my cozy camper, affectionately known as the Cinderella, in honor of my three grandmothers. So join me as I hit the road and explore new places and make memories in the great outdoors. Let's embark on this journey together. And now, without further ado, let's buckle up and truck along into today's adventure.
I cannot come to Florida and camp here for almost 2 weeks and not do a cooking video. So the cooking video I'm going to do, because this reminds me of Florida the most when I go out to brunches, is smoked Gouda grits topped with shrimp, better known as shrimp and grits.
For the extra smoky flavor, I had to add some Kaneka sausage in there. Now it's time to add the shrimp in that same grease that the sausage was in, just to get a little bit of crisp on the shrimp. Now, what's a southern breakfast without grits? And yes, most of us use milk in our grits, but my milk of choice is oat milk, and it's just as creamy. Now, for whatever reason, Kroger did not have the block of Gouda cheese. If I was up in the Midwest, oh yeah, I'd have my cheese. The smoked Gouda, that is. Although it didn't need it, I'm missing one important ingredient from this grits. However, I'm going to have to remake this soon. If you ever invite a southerner over for breakfast, such as myself, baby, don't give me no stiff grits and don't give me no running grits. It needs to be somewhere in between, just like so. Don't judge me. I like for my food to have color. So yes, I put peppers and onions in there.
Y'all already know what time it is. Sorry, the air conditioner's on because it's hot down here in Florida. But today it is. The last couple of days it's been cold. But y'all already know what time it is. It's time to get some of this Kaneka sausage, this grits, and some of this shrimp on this fork, so I can see if I'm gonna give you guys a finger or not. Take a little piece of that sausage. I'm about to open up a restaurant for y'all. It's gonna be called Adventures with Val, or Eating with Adventures with Val. on the go. And it's gonna be a camper style restaurant. But anyway, guys, this is delicious. Whew, this is good. I'm about to, I gotta dig in. I gotta dig in because I'm hungry. I'm intermittent fasting and I'm starving. So I got my coffee. This cup has a lot of sentimental value. I got this cup when my dad, before he passed away, he was in the VA hospital in Augusta, and I got this cup from there because it kind of reminded me of like one of the cups he had before he had retired. So yeah, so you'll probably see this cup a lot in my videos. Yeah. Anyway, I gotta go. I gotta eat.
Y'all see that cheese pull? You can't ignore that.